Ascribe unto the Lord the glory due his name. Ascribe unto the Lord the honor and the praise, for he is holy, and he is worthy of all of the glory, yeah, and all of our love. Ascribe unto the Lord.
You know, I believe that one of the biggest tools that the enemy tries to use is to try and get us to think that we are useless, that we are of no worth, no value, that we have nothing to offer, when we are living, walking, and breathing answers to the problems that the world has. You know, and one of the biggest threats to the enemy is a person that is not quite adjusted to that. They're not willing to accept that, the fact that they were just called to just get by. You know, a person that is unsettled in their spirit and they just really feel like they were meant to do something in the world. I believe that that is one of the greatest threats to the enemy, because when you can discover the problem that you were meant to be the answer for, then all of a sudden you have direction. Then all of a sudden you can tap into the resources that are already around you. You can tap into the gifts that are already on the inside of you. And you can change the world that you live in.